Okay, what are the main pitfalls with your skincare? Sometimes what we think is helping our skin is actually doing more harm than good. In this video, I will uncover the most common skincare pitfalls there are, and I'll include what you should do as alternatives. Okay, so the first thing is overusing skincare products. A lot of you guys, when you're trying to get better skin, buy a load of products and try all of them out. But using too many products or over-applying active ingredients like retinol or AHAs or BHAs can actually be worse for your skin. Overuse can actually strip your skin of its natural sebum, leading to dryness, irritation, and even more oil production as your skin tries to overcompensate. Instead, try and keep your skincare routine simple, with a good foundation or frame of reference being cleanser, moisturizer, sunscreen. Also, when you're trying out new skincare products, introduce new products one at a time to your routine. Don't go changing it up and add 4 at the same time, 5 at the same time. Your skin is going to purge. Another big mistake is using harsh scrubs on your acne. You think that scrubbing at acne-prone skin with gritty exfoliants will clean out your pores. Physical exfoliation can actually irritate and inflame the acne that's already there. This is going to worsen your redness or potentially cause scarring. It also doesn't address the root cause of the acne, like bacteria or clogged pores. Instead, I would highly recommend you use a chemical exfoliant, like salicylic acid. These will penetrate your pores gently and target the acne without causing any of that irritation that you get from scrubbing. The third mistake that you might be making is picking at your pimples or blackheads. We all do it. I'm guilty of doing it, but squeezing or popping a pimple will not make it go away faster. Picking damages your skin barrier. It also introduces bacteria and increases the chance of scarring. Use spot treatments with something like benzoyl peroxide or a tea tree oil to reduce inflammation. And you should be incorporating a gentle, sulfate-free cleanser into your routine. And make sure it is suited to your skin type. The fourth mistake, over cleansing your skin. If you're someone that washes your face multiple times a day or uses really harsh cleansers to try and get that squeaky clean feel, you're probably doing more harm than good. You're stripping your skin of its natural oils, disrupting your skin barrier, which ultimately leads to dryness, increased oil production, or irritation. Instead, cap it at a maximum of twice a day, once in the morning, once at night. The fifth mistake, skipping moisturizer for oily skin. Or do you guys think that oily skin does not need moisturizer? Well, you're wrong. Skipping your moisturizer can actually signal your skin to produce more oil. It's going to worsen your greasiness and give the exact opposite effect you were looking for. Instead, choose something lightweight and non-comedogenic for your oily skin. For example, gel-based formulas. The sixth biggest mistake is using the wrong products for your acne. You can't treat all acne the same way. For example, you can't use a drying product for every type of pimple. Not all of your acne is going to be caused by oil production. Some are inflammatory, like cystic acne, and are going to require other treatments. Instead, as a rule of thumb, if you have clogged pores and blackheads, use salicylic acid. For red inflamed acne, instead try benzoyl peroxide, or you can consult a dermatologist's prescription treatments. The seventh biggest mistake is neglecting sunscreen. A lot of you think that sunscreen is only necessary when it's sunny out, when you're doing activities outside, but UV damage happens every day, even indoors. UV rays can penetrate windows. Sun exposure is going to accelerate your aging. If you know me, you know I like spending my time in the sun. You want to try and minimize those aging effects as greatly as you can. On the daily, I would try and apply a broad spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30. And if you're outdoors, reapply it every 2 or 3 hours. Another big mistake is using hot water on your face. Some of you think that really hot water is going to open up your pores. Again, hot water can strip your skin of its natural oils, causing more oil production. And secondly, your pores do not actually get bigger or smaller. They just appear more open when they're clogged. So instead, use lukewarm water every time you wash your face. Another big mistake is not changing your pillowcase frequently enough. Try and use a silk or bamboo pillowcase and change it every 2 to 3 days. Your pillowcase is most likely collecting oil, bacteria, and dirt that every night you're putting back onto your skin. Cut it out. And the last mistake is overlooking the importance of hydration. Topical treatments aren't going to help you very much if you are internally dehydrated. 2 to 3 liters of water every single day. Skincare is not always the case of just doing more. It's about doing the right things for your skin. By avoiding these common mistakes and focusing on a more gentle approach, you can build a routine that truly works for your skin. Remember, less is often more. Treat your skin with the care it deserves. Best of luck, gang.